Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove the center console trim cover for the AC on a Mercedes ML500, which is like a 163 body style. And first thing you gotta do, remove the radio, the one I removed, and there's a video on my channel. You can follow the link below to see how it's done. And to remove the trim you need that kind of plastic tool. You gotta prime it like from the top. Just be careful, don't crack it, and be slow and gentle. Okay, and then just work your way around. Okay. Also, you're gonna find some wires in the back. Just disconnect it. Okay, and now it's out. I'll see that's the connectors you gotta disconnect. One here, 3, and a few there, so about 10 of them. So have a nice day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for this video, and you'll see more tutorials on this channel. Have a nice day.